DIY decorators, green is my favorite color and I love plants, but every once in a while I want a plant that is a bit of a different color. So today on Make Your Mark, we are using my gel press and my Xyron Creative Station to create a beautiful paper plant. I love this thing. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a paper plant. Americana acrylics are hands down my favorite craft paints. Use any color combination and stencil you want to make your leaves. The more colorful, the better. I'm using the double-sided laminate cartridge for this project. In order to make your tape really stick to the laminate, wipe it down with alcohol and use a high-quality sticky tape. Florists refer to artificial and silk flowers as permanent botanicals. As early as the 12th century, the Italians began making and selling artificial florals from the cocoons of silkworms. I'm going to leave a link to Xyron and gel press below in the description. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.